Hi everyone, welcome back to the controversial podcast. In today's video, I just want us to talk about the EFF leader, the Economic Freedom Fighters leader Julius Malema, the CIC. I'm talking about that hypocrite who's now suing the president of the Bhinqa Nation, Ngizwe Mchunu. And we know why he's doing this. Number one, he's not happy that South Africans are busy chasing away the illegal foreigners and fighting for South Africans. Ngizwe Mchunu, Phakile Mthakathi, and Jacinta, I'm talking about the March and March group, are actually protesting against illegal foreigners. There's so many things that are happening in South Africa. We've got human trafficking, we've got Nigerians who are busy selling powder, obviously, that are linked to human trafficking. It's not only that, we've got Somalians who are fighting South Africans just because they want to open spaza shops. They want to own spaza shops alone, and they have recently kidnapped a 27-year-old from Vosloorus, a young man, Masiko Bega. He was kidnapped last month simply because he refused to sell his spaza shop to the Somalians. And we've heard there are so many people who have actually died because they were stubborn and kept on opening their businesses in South Africa. I'm talking about spaza shops. Malema doesn't say anything about it, and I'm not so sure about the number, and I think about more than 20 kids have died because they ate food from spaza shops. These Somalians and Bangladeshis are organizing themselves. They want to take over South Africa. They are killing the youth. They are killing the children. So you can see that it is a war against South Africans. We both know that Julius Malema is just trying to distract the March and March. Is trying to distract that protest against illegal foreigners because Ngizwe Mchunu is part of that protest. Ngizwe Mchunu said he received about 65 million rand from the Nigerians because you remember when he went to Enugu State in Nigeria. Malema is just a hypocrite, and I really wish South Africans can just wake up and stop voting for this cult. Before Malema went to Nigeria, remember he had a rally in Limpopo and he wasn't happy that Zimbabweans there are chowing tenders. So he was speaking in Sepedi. Some of us know Sepedi. He said, no, this is not allowed. Zimbabweans must go and work to Zimbabwe and they're not allowed to get tenders here in South Africa. So he spoke in Sepedi because he wanted votes that side so that he can actually join the African National Congress and continue with the looting. There were allegations that Julius Malema crippled the Limpopo province. Remember